When the human brain develops to 60%, she can control every cell in her body, switching to any form she desires at will. She claims that 1 plus 1 never equals 2. Mathematics is just a system of numbers that humans created to understand the world, but it doesn't exist in the universe. This left the top scientists utterly baffled. If the world isn't governed by mathematics, then who or what is in control? Upon hearing this, Lucy immediately created a projector out of thin air and made a car accelerate infinitely. When the speed reached a certain point, the car disappeared. Thus, time proved the existence of matter. Without time, we wouldn't exist. The professor suddenly had an epiphany. But just then, the crime boss stormed into the lab, and the security guards were ruthlessly killed. Hearing the gunshots, Lucy realized that there was no more time to waste. She ordered the professors to inject all the remaining CPH4 into her body, to fully develop her brain to 100%. As Lucy took a deep breath, the CPH4 was absorbed completely. It raced through her body wildly. Soon after, she released Godzilla's power, originating from the earth. Professor Jack was dumbfounded, unable to believe the reality of what he was witnessing. When Lucy opened her eyes again, her brain had developed to 70%, and her arm rapidly scabbed over, turning into a pool of black liquid. It then attached itself to the lab equipment, absorbing their energy to aid in her brain's development. Soon, the entire lab's equipment was absorbed by her, and Lucy's brain successfully reached 80%. With a mere thought, she instantly transported everyone to a white space station, and created an unprecedented supercomputer. Lucy stored all her knowledge there, a gift she had prepared for humanity. Professor Jack was utterly astonished. At this point, Lucy's brain had reached an astonishing 90%, but the battle outside was intensifying. With a beautiful slide tackle, a rocket launcher blasted open the lab's door. Lucy immediately teleported to Paris. Then, she thought for a moment and appeared at the beach. Next, she was at Times Square. Looking at this unfamiliar place, she sighed deeply. Then, she raised her hand, and time immediately froze.